Hello and welcome. I'm Reese Davies, and today I'm going to show you how to add FAQ schema to any web page using Google Tag Manager. As you can see in search results, people are already utilizing this, and it stands out quite prominently against the competition, so it is worth implementing on the site to gain that competitive edge. First things first, we're going to use this page as an example. As you can see, it's a pretty standard FAQ format, and ultimately what we want to do is to get this showed up in search results like so. So the first step we need to do is head over to Google Tag Manager. Then what we need to do is head over to variables. Once that's loaded, you need to go to configure and just double check all of these are ticked, just to make sure that when you're following this tutorial that there won't be any missing variables. Next step is to go to overview and add a new tag and name it something that you'll remember. So I'm going to call this SEO FAQ schema. Then what you want to do is click tag configuration, head over to custom HTML tag. And earlier in the post I provided an example of the json-ld code that you need to create. Basically all we need to do is replace the name and text with the question and answer for your on-site copy. Then copy and paste that into the HTML box. Then what you want to do is set up a trigger. So we've got the code, but we need to trigger it on a certain landing page, which is going to be here. So how do we do this is you click on triggers, click on plus, name it something that you'll remember again, so SEO FAQ, click the box and select page view. So we don't want this to fire on all the pages, so you want to select some page views, and then what you want to do is make sure that you use page path, and I usually use equals to avoid any confusion. Then I just copy and paste the URL slug, then press save. So this is basically all you need to add coding wise to the website for it to be triggered. Press save. Now we need to test that these are firing correctly on the website before we publish the container. So go to preview. Once you're in preview mode, head over to the website and refresh the landing page that you're targeting. As you can see, the Google Tag Manager debugger tool is appearing. It might appear like this, but just open it up and you can see clearly that the SEO FAQ schema is firing correctly. So if we expand that, you can see all of the code that we added along with the fire trigger that we set up as well. What I usually do to make sure that this is only firing on this page is navigate to a different page. So let's go to the home page. And as you can see, this is not firing on that page, which is perfect. So once you're happy with the code, what you want to do is submit this and call it something that you remember and publish. Great, so once you've published the code, we need to test it once more to make sure that Google can render it correctly. So head over to the rich results test and put in the URL that you are optimizing and press test. So once the page is loaded, you can see that the FAQ has got a green tick next to it, and you can see all of the text that we've put in the code being rendered correctly. Then what you can do is select preview search result, and as you can see, this is how it will appear on mobile, and over the next couple of days you should start to see it within organic results. This is an example of just a site search, and you can see it's appearing, which is great. And that's it. It's fairly simple. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.